I believe one thing about the HVAC trade, man. We gotta be, it's one trade. I don't know about electricians and plumbers, man, but we gotta be, man, we gotta be like, man, I don't know. Spider-Man and Gumby, all in one. Cause some of these spaces you can't get to, you out of there. We've been some tight spaces, man. Gotta have go gadget on. I'll wait to scrap that up. I don't know where my boy Jake is. See Jake got the good right idea. See, by code here they want us to run a drain line, but this really need to be capped off and then put the flow switch up in there. But if you put a cap on there, that pan to fill up with water, it'll shut the unit off. But they want us to do it like this, so that's how we gonna do it. More money for us when we gotta return and replace the drain pan. Keep everybody pockets fat. The manufacturers, whoever make the drain pan. And keep the homeowners, hey, you gotta get out there and get it. You gotta go make some money. You know what I'm saying? You gotta help everybody keep their pockets fat. They say it's going to be a lot of money out there in 2025, folks. They say the economy back. Get out there and grind. Folks ready to spend some money again, folks. All right, so I'll put a flow switch in here now. My flow switch. So I installed my flow switches. I just cut the condenser off. I let the evaporator or the the air handler run. I'm just gonna put this right here. Tie that down. Alright, so this is my condenser wire right here. Looks like what the heck going on right here? Because there was never no flow switch ever on here. So maybe they ran out of they probably ran out of, didn't have enough wire and they added a piece. So I'm just gonna cut this common right here because it's my red and my white. So I'm just gonna cut this